In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana with Google Calendar, making it simpler to manage your tasks and appointments. This integration will help you keep everything consolidated, ensuring you don't miss a beat in your busy schedule. To begin, log into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project that you want to sync, or if you prefer, you can choose to sync your My Tasks view. This step is crucial because it determines which tasks you'll see in your Google Calendar. After accessing your project or My Tasks, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a drop-down menu depicted by 3 dots or a similar icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've done that, we need to get the sync link that will connect Asana to Google Calendar. Within that drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Sync to Calendar. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear before you. This pop-up contains an iCal link, which is the key to linking Asana with your Google Calendar. You need to copy this iCal link carefully because this is what you'll be pasting into Google Calendar in the next steps. Moving on, it's time to open up Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Once you have Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You should notice a small plus sign next to the section titled Other Calendars. Click on this plus and you'll see several choices appear. For our purposes, select From URL. This is where you'll paste your iCal link that you copied earlier from Asana. After pasting the link, proceed by clicking Add Calendar. Voila! Your Asana tasks are now successfully integrated into your Google Calendar. Each task will show up as an all-day event, which makes it easier to view and manage them amongst your other commitments. To further tailor this setup to your liking, you can customize your calendar view. You might want to rename the calendar to something more descriptive, like Asana Marketing Project. Doing so will make it easier to differentiate from your other calendars. Additionally, you can toggle the visibility of this calendar to keep your Google Calendar interface neat and clutter-free. Finally, feel free to color code it differently to separate work tasks from personal events visually. And there you have it, a streamlined connection between Asana and Google Calendar that will help keep you organized and on top of your tasks. With this setup, you'll never have to worry about missing deadlines or important meetings again. Enjoy the newfound productivity.